Hello, and welcome to the Healthy Life with Kimmy podcast, your go-to source for all things related to healthy living and well-being. I am your host, Kimmy Nunnally, and I'm so thrilled that you are on this journey with me. I am on a journey to a healthier and happier and more vibrant life. Also, please check out my YouTube channel, Healthy Life with Kimmy, where we have discussions, interviews, and practical tips. We also have the free email list so you never miss when I go live. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and welcome again where fit is the new it.
Bet I'm everything you see. Bet I'm everything you need. We're high on this beat.
Hello, and welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmy. I hope all is well. Well, hey guys, I wanted to talk today about the number on the scale. We might need a little bit more light. Let me see. I was hoping it wasn't too much, but then there wasn't any. I wanted to talk about the number on the scale. So a lot of times we don't like to weigh because the scale can be, quite frankly, if it's not moving in the right direction, it could be depressing. I've experienced that. I won't speak for you all, but I'm pretty sure all of you have. You know, you do really well the first week. Let me close this. You do really well the first week, and then the next week it's like, dang, what happened? So what I want to talk about the scale today, though, is every number counts. Every number counts. What do I mean by that? So you get on the scale and it says 170.2. And you're like, I ain't worried about the 0.2, whatever. Or you get on the scale and it says 150.5. And you say, well, the 0.5, that don't mean anything. I'll give one more example. Or you get on the scale and it says 250.7 this week. And next week it may say 250.3. And you're not writing that point, whatever number is, because you're like, it's insignificant. Well, that's not what you should do. Every number counts. The 0.3, 0.5, 0.7, because all those points eventually will equal a pound. So if you got 0.7 this week, 0.3 that you lost the following week, you've lost a pound. If you're not keeping count of the point, whatever number it is afterward, you're shortchanging yourself. You're setting yourself up for failure when you've actually been doing good. It wasn't as much as you thought it should be, but you are actually losing. So today I want to really emphasize count everything. So I used to be like that. Actually, I thought, whatever 0.2 or 0.1, that's nothing. But again, if you add everything up, what do they say? Pennies equal dimes, dimes equal dollars. So everything counts in your journey. Everything. So when you're on the scale and it says whatever number, point, write that down. Document that. Track that. I've chosen to do the WeightWatchers as my method for now. I'm not a paid spokesperson. I always say that because, you know, sometimes I actually had somebody tell me that. They said, well, you're talking about them a lot not to get paid. Well, it's not really about them. It's really about me and my journey. And that's what I'm using. So if I was using Jenny Craig, I would talk about her too, even if they wasn't paying me nothing. So it's not that I'm representing WeightWatchers. I have nothing against WeightWatchers or any of them as far as a company is concerned. It's just like I said, I'm just using that. My friend was using it for 3 years, and that really encouraged me to do it. I have a couple friends actually that do WeightWatchers. So that's kind of why I chose to do it. But when it comes to that scale, guys, don't be shortchanging yourself. We work hard for whatever it is. If even on your paycheck, if you work 39 and a half hours, you want that extra half, right? Because you work for it. If it's 39 and a half and half of that half hour is overtime, don't you want to get paid for that? Yep, you do. So it's the same thing with your weight journey. Don't shortchange yourself. Get your kudos. You know, make yourself feel good. If you lost a half a pound this week, go girl, go guy. If you lost 0.3, you are doing something, right? Because you put some effort into that. So don't shortchange yourself is the point that I am making today. Well, I keep it short because there's really nothing else to talk about on this point right here. Catch my other video about should you weigh daily or not too. that's coming out or should be out very soon. And like, subscribe, and share the channel if you can with other people, because it really helps. It'll help someone else too. We're trying to build a little community here. And also, it will help you when you have somebody else on a journey with you. I have a couple friends actually that are doing Weight Watchers with me, or I'm doing it with them because they started before me. So I've been enjoying sharing with them and my wins and my losses, and my little journey. We share little recipes. So as they share things with me, I'll share with you. But I wish you all much success out there. And again, this is Healthy Life with Kimmy. Until next time, okay? Bye. We thank you again for listening to today's episode of Healthy Life with Kimmy's podcast. We invite you also to join us over on our YouTube channel, again, Healthy Life with Kimmy. And don't forget to sign up for free emails where you, again, will receive tips, tricks, and always be notified when we are going live. Well, thank you again, and we wish you much success. Don't forget, fit is the new it. Bye.